Hey everybody, and welcome to a crash course from Vern Larson at Advantage Home Loans on one of my least favorite topics. I'm sure it's one of yours too, student loans. Oh man, what a nightmare these create in lending. All right, so everybody has them. It's a big thing out there. So let's just do some examples real quick if you have student loans. So if you had $100,000 in student loans, but they are currently deferred. So this happens almost every day in my office, okay? So my student loans are deferred, Vern. I don't have to count these against me, right? Well, wrong, okay? So as a lender, we know at some point in time, you are going to be required to pay these back. So what do? If they are currently deferred, we hit you with 1% of the balance as the payment. So quick math, your payment that goes into what you can qualify for is $1,000. So that can be a real substantial amount that can hurt your qualifications and what you qualify for. All right, so there are some workarounds in this scenario. All right, there's one program out there. So we have one little asterisk program that if you qualify for, instead of the 1%, it'll let us do 0.5%. Okay, so which is awesome. So instead of the $1,000 payment, now we're looking at a $500 payment. So that's just like having an extra car payment. It works, helps us a lot, gets a lot more qualifications done. All right, so if that's not working for you, then the next thing we can do is we can actually reach out to your provider of your student loans, and we can ask them, hey, if we get this in an income-based repayment program, what is my payment gonna be? So then what's gonna happen, I'm not an expert on this, but when you call into the student loans, they're gonna take your balance, they're gonna take your current income, and they're gonna shoot us back a payment. They're gonna say, okay, based on what you're making, based on what you owe, the payment that we're gonna require is gonna be $115 a month. And then we can use that. But you actually have to enroll into the program and get it started to take advantage of this. So you will have that $115 payment versus having, you know, the deferred for however long. Sometimes it makes sense, sometimes it doesn't. We'll see what it is in your scenario. So give us a call, 546-3100. Every situation is unique. So you need to call in. We need to look at this and decide which way we need to go. If the 1% works, fine. If the 0.5% works, let's see if we can get in that program. If not, let's start reaching out and making workarounds to get you into your home loan. Vern with Advantage Home Mortgage.